Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John, John Restoration of Virginia Beach. Got another one of them chargers for you. This one came in all white, sitting on 26s with the interior already done. But the customer brung it to John's Restoration because he heard and seen our work as far as what we do to these chargers. This is the customer right here. I'm gonna let y'all hear what he has to say about how the vehicle came in. What's up, Prince?
Hey, what's going on with you? Well, basically, man, it came in. It was all white, the bumper was cracked, paint had dents and everything in it. It just wasn't hot for the streets. So I had to bring it to John's Restoration, let him do his thing. As you can see, masterpiece. We on the streets, motivated by haters.
There it is, Silver Surfer. Like he said, the vehicle came in white. Y'all know we do interior, but we can't take credit for this one. He had this one done already before it came here. And he had 6s on it. But as y'all can see, we laid down the airbrush. Shout out to my man Chad. Chad, you just keep topping yourself, bruh. Y'all see it. All paint, no stickers. Both sides different. Like he said, he's a part of Motivated by Haters in Virginia. We got a few more cars coming out with Motivated by Haters being done by John's Restoration. Y'all see, even though it's airbrush, you see that wet look. And you see them 6s. Y'all see it, another one of them charges. We got more coming after this. We got them in the shop lined up. They coming. John's Restoration, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. 757-713-2277. Remember, we also offer government and military financing. Once again, my phone number is 757-713-2277. All paint, no stickers. John's Restoration. My man Chad, nasty with the airbrushing. Give us a call if you next. We located at 5716 Princess Anne Road, Virginia Beach, Virginia, 23462. And remember, we're not only a custom shop. We also do insurance claims, where I work with most people's deductibles. We do collision repair, spray and bed liners, body work, whether it's minor or major. You see the street lights in the paint. That's that wet sand and buff look right there. You know it's got to be wet if you can still see the car lights in the airbrushing. Y'all see the sunset right there in the paint job. Give us a call if you're trying to look like this for the summer. The number again is 757-713-2277. Good day.